Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Outlook email account to Gmail. So in this case, go to Gmail first. Click on settings icon. See all settings. Now you'll find here account and import. Then scroll down and you can see here that check mail from other accounts. Okay, just click on this add a mail account. Then you have to write here your Yahoo Mail or your not Yahoo Mail, Outlook mail. Yeah, like this example @outlook.com. After that, just click on next again. Then you will find an Outlook page. You have to put here the right Outlook email address. Then like this. Then you have to make the login correctly with ID and password. After that, your account will be merged there. Okay, you can see your account will be here. Okay guys, so then you can check you can connect your or add your Outlook mail in Gmail like this way. So this is so simple guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.